message for humanity and importance of spiritual growth. Now, presently, the second wave of virus has come in some other countries. Here in my area, I did not saw a single person from suffering from corona. Previously, I heard from my birthplace there are some people suffering from corona, and yes, most of the people got recovered. Before we don't know what it is virus and how it impacting. It depends upon the what we have energy levels like called immune system. So people are surviving. So maybe some of the people, the old age people, they're suffering, they are losing the life, and this impact corona will be little bit impact will be there on maximum humanity, especially they getting some kind of like diseases and virus. Even people take some kind of precautions, they quarantine themselves to the recovery purpose. That's yes, so maximum people are getting recovered, but still it impacts at the health level. So taking care of is very important. Now why the people are creating the violation due to second lockdowns in some other countries? Once the people creating a lockdown, you attract the negative energies. So life is not only just economic growth, enhancing the income. Not only that, life is a purpose. The main purpose is spiritual growth is very very important, as well as you like the social life. It's not about everybody spending free time, and for spiritual purpose it's not possible. Only for the great elevated souls, higher mature people, great conscious beings, they get a spiritual thoughts and they spend the free time. That's it. And whatever they practice spirituality and the meditation, and this thing they grow easier and faster. What I'm trying to say is message is, if people worry about the future, anxiety, depression, all these things, it makes you drown, it brings your mental capability, it brings your spiritual growth will down. It's not good. You create more misery, more suffering in the future, not this life after life. So what we are manifesting in present situations, due to our conscious energies, due to our subconscious mind, we manifest the things. So if you take some people, celebrities, whoever it may be, they may have suffered their life later on. They become a celebrity. Some people find it's all about their karma, their previous past life. Telling past lives, previous life is very difficult. But soul, which is immortality, which is infinity, soul is infinity. So there are chances are there. Some people have many more lifetimes, many more births. Because of that, they reach a situation. This is nothing but a manifestation. If you see some people histories, the beggar become a celebrity. Example. Even spiritually, if you take some people, they don't have anything. They are misery life, and completely later on, they whatever awakening kundalini or 100%, they gain the wisdom. They free from the miseries. That is what. So what happening in spirituality and spiritual growth? Once if you are enhancing the knowledge, wisdom, self wisdom, not bookish wisdom. Bookish knowledge is the fine. You need to install the knowledge. That's fine. You need to apply the knowledge. Then only you will be benefited. Otherwise, no. So self wisdom is necessary. You practice yoga, meditation, and you do proper actions, positive karma. So this is what exactly in present situations, difficult situations. Don't feel difficult situations. If you're feeling anxiety, worry, depression, you push it back. You're creating more problem in the future. So you need to detach with the situations. These are situations you need to turn this into the positively. Once you're turning this positively, what happens? Spending free time, you need to penetrating. I'm telling secret here. You need to penetrate your consciousness, the physical consciousness, to inside empty space. You experience the infinity being. That is very important. So once you are connecting enhancing the soul connection between you and the divine. Divine is a soul, that is you, that which exists in the forehead, center of the head. It is eternal. It is existing in an empty space within the center of the forehead, the third eye, or you can call it crown chakra. So self spirit which exists center of the chest. The kundalini raising enhancing the when the enhancing the connection between the self soul and divine soul within, then Kundalini will be raised. Without Kundalini, there is no enlightenment. People activated their subconscious mind. They have some spiritual experiences. They thinking they are enlightened and they are like awakened Kundalini. So they think it's fine. It's okay. So it is a their mind, their perception is like that. So no, the enlightenment happens to Kundalini raising. The Kundalini raising, you enhance the connection between you and the divine. Then you step into the freedom. Once you have spiritual maturities, wisdom, Kundalini raising, what happens? You all the time will be blissful while living, while living. After this, I also you detach. This is very important. So, why people feel fear? Ultimate pain of life after life. Death is ultimate pain and suffer. So, avoid that. Spirituality will help you. I succeed in this. So, if you see spiritual people, some people what they succeed in spiritual, they don't maybe not see such much success in social life because of they we are focusing on spiritually. That is the thing. I was achieved a very good stage 8 years back, very good stage. Though later I focus on social life, the Kundalini came down. So that is a different story. Learning yoga, you become a yoga teacher and teach the people. Kundalini come down again. You spend free time. See, you are focusing external, internal. That is the thing. Mind can focus on one thing only. If you want to focus on social life, then we see easy success. So you lose the spirituality. Your spiritual growth will be stopped. So again, if you breaking balance, it's difficult. Spending free time is important. Even if you become yoga teacher, also you lose the energies, but you save some energies. What happening presently? People are working like business or in a software department, focusing on computer, seeing they lose so much energies. They only earn the money for life purpose. It's only satisfying this ego identity, status, money, living. It won't help much, but what we do karma, that is also helps little bit. Yes, everything added into the karma. What work you are doing, how this work helping to the people, that comes under karma, positive actions. So doing services seva without expression, that is a different. You help some people. Example, you guide yoga, donate the food, you donate money for the poor people. Example, some people does not have clothes, some people don't have food, you donate the food. Example I'm telling. See, this kind of good actions will give some spiritual growth. You do it heartfully. You should not do without expectations. So what you're doing without expectation, with heartfully, with the mindfully, then you see success. Otherwise you're not. You do this kind of good services, you practice spirituality, you grow faster. That will be so good. So otherwise expecting, and people what they're happening, they keep a lot of attachment with the materialistic life. And the present days, due to this lockdown and violation, they attack the negative energies. And they are thinking life is only this, life is not only this, life is just happens, nothing, life is over again, next life begins. We are immortal, we are infinity beings. That is important. So spiritual growth, which is plays important role. So what you enhance in spiritual growth, you manifest the same things. If you're doing positive karma, positive actions, even social life also, what you do, everything is spirituality. Everything is spirituality. What some people manifest the easy things like celebrities, companies, CEOs, business people, they see easy success because of their past life. They may have a more lives, they may do the past life good karma also. So that will be added into the present life and the next life also. That's also important. But that is spirituality enlightenment different. You become a good socially, but getting enlightenment spiritually, again you need to start a new thing. You started some level before, but still Kundalini awakening and this thing, you go with the huge memories since childhood. You have a confusion, memories, and what happens inside the soul level, you feel enough is enough. This life, enough is enough. Finally, you should don't show interest in social life. You feel life is impermanent, it's a suffering, parent suffering. In the end of the day, so if you want to achieve the bliss, you want to achieve the realization, enlightenment. So this happens suddenly. Then you walk in the path again. Those who are celebrity, whatever I say. So again, they need to start a new life. Again, they need to focus on the spirituality. Again, because of that, if you take example, Buddha, Mahavira, they left everything and they achieved enlightenment. They're born in a rich family. They are kings, and after that, they live a bigger life. If you see their histories, I just saw only in history in the internet or some. I heard stories. I'm not went into depth, but I understood. Some people born in poor family, spiritual tools. Again, they create, they manifest wealth. It depends upon the personal lifetime experiences. It depends upon their Even if you see me, I was be very happy blissful childhood, but I was also misery, so much misery. But I was detached. Presently also i was I was detached. Once you being detached, you attach the bliss. The socially for everyone, up and downs will happen. Up and downs will be there. So in this up and downs, what's you feeling difficult situations, you need to spend free time. What the thing is, mind is kept attachment. Before you earn this much money, before you had this much money, that much money you are earning, later on you're not earning money. So that's creates a worry, anxiety, and depression may happen. So what you do is, this all are the mind attachment. Detachment is important. Once you be detached, once you have spiritual maturities, you practice. If you worry, depressed, you don't get anything. You push it back. Your spiritual growth will come down. You are like that's it. You creating a problem for yourself. So you be detached in any situations. You be detached. You be stable. You be calm. Then it will be fine for you. You create a relief. Otherwise, you create another level of state of suffering. The what you get the thought in the mind, suffering, worry, it creates a bondages. Suffer like what you feel worry, you feel worry. That creates some kind of subconscious mind. You are creating a thought. So worry. You anxiety, worried for the future. So that creates a tangle for you in the future. If you be detached with those things, you get relief. Otherwise, you struggle. So understand the spirituality and spiritual practices. So present time is a very important thing. You spend the free time, utilize this time for the spiritual growth, for the enlightenment process. If you take my lifetime, it's completely different. I was spending full free time and not in school. My family members, they are worried about my future. Even I also worried that time. But later on, the divine grace, the Kundalini grace, practice some pranayama, meditation, awakened Kundalini. After that, I joined a. After that, I did my direct yoga. Sorry, directly I finished my graduation. So later on, I joined yoga. Before also I did the jobs, I left the job and joined yoga. I became a yoga teacher, spiritual yoga guru. That is the thing. So here also we don't know how to find the clients. The Kundalini which helped me indirectly. In a short time, I saw success. What you seeing in a Facebook. See what you see in a Facebook, Kundalini, all these things, my teachings. This is different. What I walked on my life path, that is different. You need to see my histories. My history, only my family members they know about me. You people, Facebook only seeing my post and videos. So whoever it may be, whoever it may be, those who saw success in their life, you need to see their past life. Sorry, in the past, how they lived their life in childhood while growing, what kind of struggles they saw, what kind of struggles they passed through. Even though I be detached, I was blissful, fine. But before Kundalini, I went through this like a hell process, suffering process, health issues, many things, not went school. So later on, everything will be fine. Everything will fine. It happened through the Kundalini raising only. That is the thing. Kundalini is a game changer. Spiritual growth is very important. Upcoming life, future, we not sure what happens. Even though I am sure one thing is sure. Those who are spiritually, for them it is good. Already I said in the future predictions. Those who are non-spiritual, they feel so much misery, so much confusion, so much suffering. It's where they create so much problem for them in the future. So yoga and spirituality is very important. Practicing whatever you do, economic life, your social life, your income, that is fine. That is okay. Everybody need to focus more on spirituality. It's not about I'm making advertisement here. It's all about for your purpose. You need to understand only spiritual people. Why this so many people join spirituality? Because of their mind is coming, they're interested in spirituality. That is what exactly you need to. Everybody wants to be free from this pain and suffer future. This life we has presently, divine is protecting us. Once this life, if not, then it's physical body, as you call as a death, they will create more suffering. Only spiritual people, Kundalini people, they get bliss, they merge into the divine within a second. So other people, for them it's a suffering process. So avoid the pain and suffering. It's unbearable. It's a pain and suffer. So if you want to avoid that, you want to gain a peace, bliss. So spiritual practices is necessary. Practice according to capability. Do good karma, good actions, what I said before. Then practice spirituality, you grow faster and easier, and you create a pleasant future. And next life also you manifest the same thing. And thank you.